Hi guys, welcome to Wellste channel. Today, Wellste take you understanding the crucial differences between melt finish and anodizing for aluminum profiles. First, let us know their definition. What is melt finish? Melt finish has a natural aluminum appearance with no mechanical or chemical finish. Then, what is anodizing? Anodizing is using aluminum as an anode and placed it in an electrolyte solution to form an oxidizing film on the surface. This is a melt finish sample. This is the anodizing sample. There are some comparisons between melt finish and anodizing. 1. Appearance compare. The melt finish will have some extrusion lines or marks. Anodizing has a uniform surface that does not have melt marks or lines visible. 2. Cost compare. Melt finish are cheaper than anodizing since it lacks a surface treatment process. 3. Corrosion resistance. Melt finish in most acidic conditions it will oxidize or rust, but anodizing has a very thin but hard natural barrier to corrosion resistance. It is effective by sunlight and can resist moisture and salting in the air. 4. Durability properties. The melt finish easily gets scratched during manufacturing, handling, and installation. It has a poor wear resistance. The anodizing foam is thicker, harder, and cannot be peeled off. It is actually attached to aluminum. Last, about colors. The melt finish only has a silver finish. Anodizing is colorful, like silver, black, brown, etc. So it is more suitable for application with aesthetic requirements. For more details, reach out to Wellste now and let us engineer provide you the perfect solution.